Hi guys, how are you? I hope you all are doing well at your home. This is Deepak Bhatt from IT Services UFC India. Today I'm gonna show you a tutorial to how to reduce the size of your videos recording of your Zoom app through an application named as Handbrake. So let's begin the tutorial. To download the software Handbrake, you need to search it on the Google. When you type Handbrake on the Google, it will show you the link to download setup. So you need to download it for your desired operating system, as I am downloading it for Windows. So here it downloaded, double click on it, and after that click to the next, and after that you see it's processing for the download installing. Now it's installed on your system. As you see, the icon is appearing on the desktop. So as you see, this is the main interface of our Handbrake software, but when we launch it, and first of all we need to load our file which we want to reduce the size. So go to that option and select your file, open it. So this is the first screen where you can see this is the preview tab, and after that, one thing I want to show you that the size of the video before reducing it is 24 MB, and these are the details like width and height of your video window. So now first of all, here is a summary tab in which two options are really important for us. First, with the format is like I prefer the MP4 format for the video because this is compatible with almost all devices, and second is the web optimize option, which allow you to optimize your video as per the web standards. And after that, we need to go dimension tab. In dimension tab, you see you can change the dimension of your video. As you see in the previous properties, the dimension for the video is this. You can change that dimension from here, this option. And after that, there is a filter tab, which is not used for us. And after that, there is a video codec formats. So I prefer to leave it as a default. There are more options, but these are for details, so you leave it as default. So after that, there is an quality option, which also you leave default. And after that, there is an option for the audio. If you want to change some type for the audio and the format for audio, you can change from here. And after that, there is a tab for subtitle. If you need to insert any subtitle in your video, you can load your .srt file, which is a subtitle file is here. So after that, to selecting all these options, now there is a more important option which allows to reduce the size of our video is presets. So there are some categories in the presets to modify our quality and the size of the video. So I prefer to go to the journal and select very fast 720 p30 options. I don't prefer any less than 720 because it will reduce the quality of your video is so down, so it will not clearly visible. So I prefer to 720p 30 option to select. And after selecting this, you can enter the name of your output video, which is the name of the output video, reduced size output video. So you give it here, like I give the convert test .m4v. So after that, it's saved on there. So after selecting all these options and make settings, you need to click to the start encoding button. Now you see here is some bar is loading, so it is showing the progress, and you see it's finished the work. So after that, you can select from here what happened after done the converting. So these are some options you want to if you want to, you can select from here. As you see, this is our output video convert test, and now I want to show you the properties of this video. As you see, let's compare both properties of both the videos. As you see, the size of the converted video is 3 MB and the previous size of the actual video is 24. So this is the difference. You can reduce the size of the video. So that this is the video. As you see, the quality is really good. So I hope this video will help you to reduce the size of your video files. Thanks for watching. Keep doing good work. Thank you so much.